Greetings, beautiful soul. Here we are this week, Dan and I, and we're out here and we've been jeeping and we've got this amazing view behind us. Isn't that just absolutely incredible? So let's talk about pick your heart and ditch your duality today, because it's so important when you can take the opportunity to find balance in your world and to embrace compassion and celebrate diversity. Because when you can see the spectrum of your life and all the choices that are available to you, that's how we determine where our path goes. And our experience in third dimension allows us to have so many opportunities to choose what we like and what we don't like. And by making those choices, you create your own reality. And for instance, when you're looking to find balance and you have the duality between work and family as an example, and time that you want to spend in both places, the trick is to find a balance that works for you. And another example is letting go of judgment of yourself and of others. Because when you're doing that, you're bringing more of that vibration into your world. So also get rid of that us and them mentality, because we're all going through something and everyone together is collecting their energetics and their holistic energy, which is all around, as you know, I say it every week, that brings the collective consciousness of humanity up. So if you can work on recognizing the split between us and them doesn't need to exist, because we're all one. And last but not least, embrace, as I said, embrace the spectrum of our choices. And don't worry about the same old, because you can always make different choices to have a new experience in your life. And that binary thinking will limit your perception and restricts the potential for your outcomes. So open up your thoughts and allow things to come into your world. So wherever you are, may your day be absolutely spectacular, and you can transcend duality to embrace the insights and celebrate the wisdom that comes from all the different choices you make. So thanks so much for your time, and have a spectacular rest of your day. I know I say spectacular a lot because it's coming from my heart and it's how I feel. My life is so spectacular. I mean, my God, look at that. And Dan's way back there with the Jeep. But let me give you a panoramic view of this incredible place. Sedona is magnificent for so many reasons. I hope that didn't make you too sick. There it is. Thanks for your time. We'll see you again real soon.